Okay guys, this Tesla Model 3 is presented to you from TJ Chapman Auto. This is a mid-range rear-wheel drive. It's only got 250 miles on it. It's a black with the white interior. It's got the all glass roof. This is a rebuilt title, had rear end damage, super light, right in this area. See, it's all been fixed well. This has got your charger in there. A little more space. It's got all the cameras everywhere. So this is the key for it. $243 miles on it. All kinds of cool stuff you can do with this thing. Set the mood here. It's got streaming music. It's got heated seats. This does have the autopilot. Navigation. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.